During 1987, I thought of putting up some business out of India, and Dubai was the best choice.
We started off doing manufacturing of tapes, and then we progressed towards sealants and adhesives. Further on, we went on with manufacturing of aerosols like spray paints. We also have a vertical that produces metal packaging. We've had a phenomenal journey over the past 25 years in Dubai, in UAE. It's been a great platform for us to grow our business, to export currently to around 57 countries. What the award has done for us is it's given us that platform to showcase ourselves.
This award really means a lot because when we put up this award in front of our customers, they feel confident with us, and they feel that yes, this is the right type of a company to work with.
It means a lot to the team, to the company, to be recognized on any international platform. It's all team. Real work happens behind the scenes from all my colleagues who've been helping us in the business, growing the business, doing the business.
I would definitely like to thank the government of Dubai for giving us this opportunity to present ourselves and lead a very peaceful and a good life. People have been thinking that Dubai is a trading hub, but not anymore.
The country of UAE is just a phenomenal platform to produce and export. But if you are able to produce in this country in a way that is cost effective, that is the key. Dubai gives you that platform. 2020 has been a really challenging year. We've had to reinvent ourselves. We've not fired a single person. We've not cut pay. We went back to the drawing board, worked on our strengths, and touch wood, by the grace of God, elders' blessings, I think His Highness's wise ruling, things have changed.
One thing was that we did not want to put any of our people into any kind of financial crisis. We wanted them also to understand, and our people now well understand, that come what may, the company is going to stand by.